Hello and very welcome to one and all. You are watching Himcom News and this is your very own Utkarsh Dikshit. Fuel prices are at historic height after 11 consecutive days of a price hike. Petrol prices are above 100 rupee mark in many states. Since January 1st, 2021 to till date, petrol prices rose about 25 times. The question arises, why is this happening? Why is the petrol price touching extremely high height? It seems like the government is trying to fill the treasure by employing common man's packet. While in Delhi petrol is at 110 point something and diesel is at 97 point something, in Mumbai the petrol has touched 103 point something and diesel is as same. Public is questioning the central government. That's why the petrol that is 30 to 32 rupees is being sold at almost 100 rupees. After central government or state government taxes the fuel of 30 to 32 nearly becomes 100 rupee. After applying taxes like VAT and excise duty, petrol is becoming the new gold. It is a fact that diesel is related to everything public needs in day-to-day life. The taxes implemented on these fuels directly or indirectly influence expenses of people all over the country. Amidst the rise in prices of fuel, the opposition is pointing its gun towards the Modi government. There are various ways the opposition is protesting nationwide, from Mamata Banerjee on e-scooter to Robert Vadra and Tejasvi Yadav on bicycle. Bharatiya Janata Party used to blame Manmohan government for hike in petrol prices and describe this as the failure of central government. But now the same government has not such answer for such high excise duties. Why are not the taxes imposed coming down? Why is it rising every day? It is the central government taking the public for granted, or if there is any protest on road, does it mean the common man is not affected that much? The central government that blamed this on the previous government and said, had we focused on these things earlier, then the middle class would not be suffering today. Fuel remains a major source of revenue for the government, which is struggling to bridge the deficit in the pandemic year. With the government planning to hike its expenditure on infrastructure, there is no room for government